1610 is 10-8 to the middle school.
This is 149 to the buses at Westfield. I'm loaded. I'm location. Thank you, Nick.
Base to Marty.
Go for Marty.
Did you find any medical record folder on your bus for Churchill?
Not medical records, I don't believe, but there was a student. Sundleen was the name, and we just returned it to her and got it in her backpack.
You said they left a backpack?
No, the folder was left on the bus. I gave it to the student when they just got on the bus now. The name of the student was Sundleen, a kindergartner.
179 to Jeff. I cannot run my 8 ways here at Hadley unless I have the bus idling.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you.
.138 to base.
Go for base.
Sharita, you might want to call Churchill, let them know I'm stuck in the left turn lane on Geneva Road. I've got cars ahead of me, they are not turning. No way to get into the school, I'm going to be late getting to the kids.
10-4. Can you put your stop arm in, please? Can you put your stop arms in at J?
East 1 checked and clear, 10-8 for Churchill.
Base to Mike McDermott.
Sharita, there was a bus parked over there north. I'm sorry I didn't catch the number. I'm pulling into Heritage Lakes right now. I can swing back there and get them.
10-4, Jeff. Jeff, I'm coming up on, I just passed north. I will turn around and get Mike McDermott and have him go over there.
He's sitting at the corner by the tennis court.
Bill to Cindy, you've got 2 of us pulling in.
1610 to 2309. Can you put your stop arms in, please?
Cindy to base.
Go for base, Cindy.
Got a hold of Mike McDermott. He's on his way to TCD.
Thanks so much.
10-4, just let North know that he's going to be late for that 4 o'clock.
I got you.
Cindy to Mike McDermott, we took care of calling the school for your 4 o'clock, letting them know you were going to be late.
Base to Sarah, do you have a bus going to TCD for the Cosmo?
Laverne, I don't believe it was confirmed yet.
Okay, well they're calling, so I need a bus to go to TCD.
Jan? This is Jan.
Are you available to go to TCD?
No, I'm not.
What route are you doing?
I'm doing a J stream and then I have N20.
And for
J1 is clear, 10-8 for Heritage.
Base to Michelle.
Are you calling me?
Michelle M.
This is Michelle M.
You've got a 4 o'clock, right?
I have a 4 and a 6 o'clock at Glenbard North.
Can you run over to TCD to take some students to North for your late run?
After the Stratford, I can do that.
How far are you in your Stratford run? Are you almost done?
I've only got 5 kids, but I'm just getting to the first stop.
Okay, let me know when you're done, please, so you can go over to TCD, but I'll call North and let them know you've got the TCD.
10-4. Tina to Cindy. Tina, stand by a second. Cindy to J8, ETA.
$17.97 to base. It's already 3:30 and 3:45 are supposed to be Rajasthan 2, and I have 11 more stops to do. So take care of that. Probably I won't be able to make it.
Just do your route and then call us when its time is closer and let us know your time, please.
I need a bus driver, please. Somebody can head to TCD right now. Head to North. Free right now.
Base to Sam.
Okay.
Can you run over to TCD and pick up some students?
Teresa, what do you say?
Are you done with your route?
I do the best bus for the Americana and the Bristol region right now. Almost done.
2859 at base.
Go for base.
Take 1.
The base. Stratford, so I'm sending route.
Okay, hold on everybody. You're walking over each other. To base.
The base, please.
Yeah, on this bus on the dashboard it says something like HYG brake failure.
You're fine. It has a tendency of doing that, Christine. You're fine.
Okay, and then there's times where when it downshifts it like growls really loud, or when it upshifts it growls.
That's just the fan. That's just the fan.
All right, thank you. Go around Route 2. Do you need me to move forward, Bill?
No, I'll go.
Megan to base. Go for base.
Is there a route number for this Ben Franklin I'm doing? Because I don't see one on this paperwork.
It's the choice bus. It's the choice.
10-4.